Hey, welcome back to TechnoIA's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp backup, and if I have another device, I want this new one as again. The first thing we are going to do is open WhatsApp Business, go to the 3 points up here and go to the settings. In settings, we can see chats. In chats have more information about that. Press chat backup and we can see here my Google account. You can select this Google account. For what I can do is go at save in a then when I enter another cell phone, I look for it and I put that email and all my conversion will be there. Okay, we can see any Google account and backup message, and if you need to chat history, to press here. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.